Transformed as an entire golf community, the newly remodeled course at St. John's Golf Club offers much more than a mere cosmetic upgrade. Architect Erik Larsen reimagined the course layout and integrated intriguing retro-style features, resulting in a course with a completely new character both novice and skilled golfers will enjoy. In addition to the redirected holes and vastly improved drainage throughout the property, highlights of the enhanced play course include wider fairways and smaller rectangular coffin bunkers. Game-changing greens draw comparisons to century-old courses in the UK and Northeast US, including a Biarritz with the classic deep gully, a Redan, a thumbprint, and a Punchbowl on 15 after golfers encounter a new pond guarding the fairway. Whether golfers are playing 9 or 18, each of the new finishing holes provides opportunity for tournament play or clubhouse spectators to enjoy the final shots. In addition to thoughtful course features, the redesign includes a spectacular practice facility with a 3-hole short game area, as well as an all-new driving range and putting green, all within arm's reach of the remodeled patio and clubhouse for a vibrant, engaging golf experience. The new St. John's course is a continuation of Erik's long line of successes designing courses, revitalizing courses, and planning entire golf communities, beginning under the guidance of legend Arnold Palmer, and most recently with his acclaimed Atlantic Beach Country Club. The combination of St. John's Golf Club and Erik Larsen delivers a golf experience you don't want to miss.